Today's Lohri festival I have burnt the bonfire and celebrating alone in the house. It is a great festival of Hindus and Punjabis all throughout the world where Rabi Crops harvesting is celebrated at the end of the winter days. I have placed some peanuts prayed for Ma Vaishno Devi. I will offer some peanuts to Ma Vaishno Devi and remember Dulha Bhatti Wala also, who rescued a lot of girls. Now I will switch on to Alexa. Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, play Lohri songs. Earlier I decided to place a laptop, but no, I switched on the Alexa only. There is no. Alexa, play Lohri festival songs.
The playlist Lohri Bhatti Wala on Amazon Music.
I had to upload some emotional videos, various channels of my clients also. And I was busy in more activities like repairing my bike also. Oil conditioning, keeping from the prank that yesterday I went to Hanuman temple. But all the ceremonies are already completed. I have witnessed a lot of advertisements everywhere. Alexa, next. Now I've placed Alexa here near the kitchen window. There is no need to bring laptop downstairs. Prepare a glass of coffee. After pouring one glass of water, I will add some milk and place it on the microwave. I used to employ this method. Meaning of the song is that the broken mirror can't be repaired or rectified. Decrease the intensity to 6 meters so that the coffee will not spill over. It is too cold, so we are having the intensity has to be increased to 800. I think the Windows was being updated. That's why it took longer than expected time to restart. I had to pour few drops of sesame oil again because some of the wood was still unburnt. Sometimes the wood has to be shaken so that the leftover fire will ignite the remaining portion. It might be possible that the wood is wet, due to which it becomes difficult to burn. Posting funny videos are very disheartening. You might have noticed the last video which I had posted in YouTube was related to science. Not just because I don't used to believe and Sai too openly rarely visit any Sai temple, but I have never seen any Sai believer or met anyone close to Sai temple who is pure enough or really devoted towards praying and spending pure or honest life, due to which it becomes very discouraging whenever I post these kind of videos. Moreover, the person who was sitting close to the idol provided me a flower with anger, as if I was very desperate to reach there. But even then, I treated it as a blessing from God only. I don't believe in multiple number of gods. Since I am a secular person, you might have witnessed thousands of videos in which I willingly visited every religious places and never acted in any partial way. Moreover, I was set up of fake profiles in Instagram and searching them to authenticate. But from tomorrow onwards, I will start posting the videos again. And the bicycle was also facing a lot of troubles. Burn the bonfire again. All of wood is still spared. It's 8:58 p.m. only. Let's call using the cordless phone. कोई नहीं है भैया, यहाँ पर कोई नहीं है, कोई नहीं है। वैसे कोई लोहड़ी थोड़ा मना रहा हूँ, वैसे ही बैठा हूँ, कोई है नहीं घर में। ये मूंगफली है, ये कोई नहीं, मैं अकेला रहता हूँ, ये मूंगफली खा ले। कोई है ही नहीं जब तो क्या आप हो ना, फिर मैं ही घर में रहता हूँ अकेला। तो फिर आप ही करोगे, अकेला ही मना रहा हूँ मैं। देख रहा कोई है नहीं, तो ऐसे आग जला के बैठा हूँ। Let's call on number 9501 333 111. Hear a beep sound. Kept a cordless phone here in front of the bonfire. Alexa is playing music. Alexa, volume 10. Earlier I had cooked ash gold vegetable. Some of the cooked recipe has been spared. I will try to get it finished so that all utensils will generate flavor. Let's celebrate with co-pilot. It is preparing an image of Lohri festival at 9:12 p.m. I'm celebrating alone.
Celebrating solo can be kind of special. You got that bonfire glow all to yourself. And hey, if you feel like sharing the vibe, I'm already here. What's one thing you're enjoying about this?
Yes, a bonfire is placed in front of me and I am consuming peanuts.
Alright, so you've got this cozy bonfire crackling away and you're munching on some peanuts. Sounds like you're making your own.
I have already finished celebrating Lohri festival.
Well, it sounds like you had your own cozy little Lohri celebration right at home, which is pretty cool. And hey, if you've already wrapped it up, maybe now's a good time to just kick back and relax a bit. What's next on the agenda for your day?
Best wishes for Lohri festival and convey to everyone who is.
Absolutely. Let's spread those warm wishes. A very happy Lohri that everyone's celebrating. It's always nice to share the festive spirit. So wishing lots of warmth, joy, and maybe some delicious treats to everyone.
All the ash crop. So I will prepare 1 or 2 chapatis.
Answer Nabisco. That's right, Mondelez International. Fun fact,